Hello again. China and Pakistan will remain the Indian Army's main focus in 2018. That's what Army Chief General Bipin Rawat said today in his annual press conference ahead of Army Day on the 15th of January. But in the background of the Doklam standoff in August last year and the intrusion into Tooting in Arunachal Pradesh just before the new year, he acknowledged the growing sensitivity of the northern borders.
From China, we have to be prepared for it. And therefore, that action is being taken to ensure that our preparations go on. I have always said that our focus on the has to shift on the northern borders. Infrastructure development in the northern border has to be speeded up. Our requirement of the systems that we have to ginger up for that. We have to start preparing for the next kind of warfare that we will be faced with, and that involves cyber information. So we have to start gingering up for that.
He said the terrain in certain sections of the northern frontiers favoured India, but hinted that in the event of war, India will fight differently. Don't look at the 1962 war, he said. He indicated that cyber warfare was one area the army was studying closely. And while appreciating America's suspension of aid to Pakistan, he also said it was premature to come to a judgment, warning that Washington cannot be expected to do India's work when it came to dealing with Pakistan-sponsored terrorism and infiltration.
2017 में हमारा फोकस साउथ कश्मीर में था. इस बार हमारा फोकस थोड़ा बहुत नॉर्थ कश्मीर में शिफ्ट होगा. और नॉर्थ कश्मीर से मेरा कहने का मतलब है हम लोग अपनी इंटेंसिटी ऑफ ऑपरेशंस बारामुल्ला, पट्टन, हंडवारा, कुपवाड़ा, सोपुर और लोलाब और सम नॉर्दर्न एरियाज ऑफ बांदीपुर, इन इलाकों में इस बार हम लोग ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे.
He spoke briefly about modernization in the context of Kashmir too.
जो नया GSQR निकाला है, इसके हिसाब से हमने अब उसकी टेस्टिंग कर ली है और ये बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट अब प्रोक्योरमेंट में है. तो अभी हमने सरकार से बोला है कि हमको जो है सिविलियंस के लिए भी बंकर बना देने चाहिए, ताकि जहां जहां पे वो बॉर्डर के पास हैं, जहां उनके पास शेलिंग हो जाती है, मैंने ये भी हुक्म दिए कि जितने भी जम्मू कश्मीर में बॉर्डर के नजदीक जो स्कूल है उसमें बंकर हम बनाएंगे.
General Rawat confirmed that soldiers on the front lines would be the first to get new assault rifles being procured from foreign vendors under technology transfer. Unmanned aerial vehicles which help battalion commanders survey the terrain 3 to 4 kilometers ahead was being modernized beginning next year.